Lambstew is a very popular mild curry. The gravy is thickened by adding coconut milk. In the same manner, we can also prepare vegetable stew. The ingredients we need for lamb stew are lamb cut into 5 cm pieces, washed and drained 1 kg, onion medium sized, thinly sliced 3, green chilli sliced or slit 10, garlic 2 tablespoons, ginger 2 tablespoons, potato medium sized, peeled and cubed 3, carrot sliced 1, cardamom 10, cinnamon 1-inch pieces 5, black pepper 1 tablespoon, cloves 10, coconut milk 1.5 cups, coconut cream 1.5 cups, fennel seed powdered 1 tablespoon, coconut oil 100 milliliters, water 200 milliliters, salt half tablespoon. And for seasoning we need shallots 1 tablespoon thinly sliced, curry leaves 2 stalks and dried red chilies 5. First step is to cook the meat. Add lamb, 2 thinly sliced onions, green chilli, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, salt and about 200 ml of water into a pressure cooker and cook for about 15 minutes. Boil the potatoes in a separate pot till it's half done. It will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Second step is to saute the onions. For that, heat 50 milliliters of coconut oil in a pot and add 1 thinly sliced onion, sliced carrots, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed powder and saute well until they are soft and translucent. Now you can see the onion and all the other ingredients mix well. So transfer the cooked meat into the same pot, add the semi-cooked potatoes and boil for about 5 minutes. Add coconut milk and reduce the heat and simmer for about 2 minutes. Now add coconut cream, continue cooking for about 2 minutes over a low flame. Now the third and the final step is to prepare the seasoning. For that, heat 50 milliliters of coconut oil in a pan, add shallots, dried red chilies and curry leaves and lightly fry. Pour the seasonings into the cooked meat and gently stir. Lamb stew is ready. Now transfer it to a serving dish. It's good, it's not spicy, it's very mild, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, My name is Sebastian and you're watching 360 TV.